We can finance those boats, no problem at all. So if you have those boats and you're looking to buy one and you're looking for us to finance them, we can do that.
Hey Al, so I got Al here from our MarineMax Clearwater store, the business and finance manager. Thank you for joining us.
Thanks for being here, man. Appreciate it.
So rolling through some of these questions, I've got one on here that comes up a lot, I think. How old of a boat can you finance?
We get that all the time, and you know what? It's great. There's a lot of nice boats out there, or older boats out there, and you know, we can finance those boats, no problem at all. So if you have those boats and you're looking to buy one and you're looking for us to finance them, we can do that. You know, banks will do, you know, typically the rule of thumb, you know, somewhere around 10 years, right? But you know, they do go up to 20 years, some banks, and then on certain situations, pristine, the boat looks beautiful.
Right.
Different situations, you know, I've had banks in the past go up to 30 years, meaning that, you know, a 30-year-old boat could get financed, right? Which is pretty interesting, but there's a lot of nice boats out there.
Sure,
That's
I mean,
for sure.
some of these things, some of these yachts and super yachts, or, you know, the boats that are up north, you know, they might get used 4 or 5 months out of the year or whatever, and they're in storage, and you know, fresh water, of course, you know, doesn't have the wear and tear like salt water does. So that's pretty cool, you know, that's something that's, you know, 20, 30 years old, you can still get financed and help the person get into the boat of their dreams.
Yeah, absolutely, absolutely.
There you go, guys. There's a little info that I didn't know, but it's kind of neat. So thanks for watching, and we will see you all out on the water.